Hello viewers, welcome to Top 5 Check. With our review, we will assure you that you're getting the best product available on the market. Please do check the product link in the description given below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this every day. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Best billiard and pool table. Instead of spending money at the local pub playing pool, why don't you get your own pool table? You will be able to play from the comfort from your home and even invite your friends over. We realize it can be tough choosing the right pool table because there are so many options on the market. However, by following this review and the accompanying buying guide, you can select the best pool table that you need. Number 1. Minnesota Fat Covington Billiard Table. The Minnesota Fat's MFT 800 Covington Billiard Table features a camel-colored wool blend cloth over a slate play bed for a high-quality look and feel. Solid wool ball and shoe feet have bronzed ball accent supporting the brown oak veneer rails with inlaid side. Black leather drops pocket features diamond embossed shields while a black base and legs add stability and style. Number 2. Ideal Rackham Tabletop Pool. The Ideal Rackham Tabletop Pool can be set up any place. It's just like a real pool table, except smaller. Rack the balls, chalk your cue, stick for smooth strikes, then break. Instructions are included for 4 kinds of pool games: 8 ball, 1 pocket, cutthroat, and straight. Includes a 20-inch felted table, 2 cue sticks, 15 balls, chalk, ranking triangle, and instructions. Number 3. Mizorek Dynasty Space Saver 6.5 feet Billiard Table. Billiard tables can range anywhere from 7 to 10 feet long, which can easily overwhelm a rec room. However, the Mizorek Dynasty gives you all the fun of traditional billiards in a table that is only 6.5 feet long. Disc-style leg levers allows you to adjust the height of each corner of the table for a perfectly level playing surface, even when the floor is sloped. Rubber cushions around the perimeter of the play bed offers excellent rebound for space and accuracy. Number 4. Fat Cat 7 feet Frisco Billiard Table. Bring luxury and class into your home with the Fat Cat 7.5 feet Frisco Billiard Table. This beautiful table has 6 inches rail with white diamond inlays, brown wool cloth, and believed legs with wood veneer mahogany. With these aspects combined to a form of beautifully made table, the Escalate playing surface comes with a 7-year warranty. Accessories included 2 57 inches cue and set of billiard balls, 2 pieces of chalk, a triangle, and a brush. Number 5. Fat Cat Reno 2. Equipped with a durable 1 inch thick Acculate play surface, resists wrapping over time. A 7-year Acculate surface warranty is included with your purchase of this table. The Reno's bold crimson wool blend cloth complements the table cherry finish and warm oak toned accent panels. These aspects combine to form a beautifully made table. The table also features a 1 inch Acculate playing surface and K66 rubber bumper, allowing for better play.
To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.